Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is, my dear students, fill in the blanks. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 2 and SW number 2. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn fill in the blanks from 1 to 10. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. Fill in the blanks, our today's topic. And my dear students, number 1, there are dash important ways of ibadat. Yes, what will be the answer? Yes, our answer will be 5. There are 5 important ways of ibadat. So our answer will be 5. Now number 2, there are dash pillars of Islam. Yes, my dear students, you know that, we know that there are 5 pillars of Islam. In this regard, answer will be 5. So there are 5 pillars of Islam. Now number 3, forge means compulsory. Forge means compulsory. You know that forge means compulsory. In this regard, the answer will be compulsory. Now number 4, dash is the key to the heaven. Dash is the key to the heaven. Answer will be salat. Yes, salat is the key to the heaven, because you know that there is a hadith, as-salatu miftahul jannah. In this regard, answer will be salat. Now number 5, my dear students, salat is offered dash times in a day. Yes, you know that there are 5 times salat in a day. In this regard, answer will be salat is offered 5. So answer will be 5 times in a day. Answer will be 5. Now number 6, salat brings us closer to dash. What will be the answer? Yes, Allah. Because you know that salat brings us closer to Allah. In this regard, answer will be Allah. Now number 7, cleanliness is a part of dash. What will be the answer? Yes, Iman. Cleanliness is a part of Iman. Now number 8, before saying dash, we must be clean. Before saying salat, we must be clean. So answer will be salat. Before saying salat, we must be clean. My dear students, you know that before saying salat, we must do wudu. Then we have to perform salat. Now number 9, to tell a dash is a great sin. To tell a lie is a great sin. So answer will be here, lie. Now my dear students, number 10, we should be kind to every dash. We should be kind to every creation. So our answer will be creation. We should be kind to every creation. My dear students, that's all for today. And my dear students, we have taken the class in the lecture number 1 we have discussed in the lecture number 1 from lesson 6 and 7. My dear students, on your Eid vacation, you will learn from lessons 6 and 7, and you will make SW only. My dear students, SW number 2 for Eid vacation, only FB for 1 to 10. You will make SW 2 number 2 for Eid vacation. Fill in the blanks from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, and you will learn, you will read, you will from lesson 6 and 7, but only you will make SW, fill in the blanks from 1 to 10. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. You will submit your SW after Eid vacation. My dear students, inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.